Hey guys, on this episode I want to show you the most fun way to do cardio in the winter. So I went to look, we actually just got a huge dump of snow, which you can see behind me, which is actually a record snowfall for the past 23 years. And I decided I gotta take advantage of this. There's not really any good sledding hills around here, but I did find this one that I normally run in the summer, which is super steep. And I grabbed my little crazy carpet, this guy here. Super slippery. Make sure it doesn't fall. Super slippery, and it's a little bit sketchy because this is goes on a turn, so you can see, and all the way up here. So it curls all the way up to the top, but I filmed one run for you with one hand holding the phone, and I just didn't do the turn at the top there, which you'll see. Going up and down this hill, just walking up and then sliding down, walking up, sliding down is such great cardio, and you don't even really know you're exercising. I also have, you can see here, I've got a podcast going, so I'm listening to a podcast while sliding down the mountain. So just a final recap on this, I ended up doing over 5 kilometers of walking up and down the hill, which was about 25 times, and I burned about 500 calories, about 520 something calories. So it turned out to be an excellent workout. My legs are really sore today, and I'm definitely tired, but it was just a lot of fun. You can see in the video, like, I'm genuinely just having a lot of fun. So try it out if you have a lot of snow. I might actually go out again today, and until the next one, have a great day.